Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today we will learn in a digital format. And do you know who I am? I am your teacher Gunjan Saini. So today we will learn about vehicles. Okay? What are vehicles? Have you seen few things running on the road? Have you ever sit in a car or on a bicycle? So kids, these are vehicles, okay? And they help us to go from one place to another. So there are different kind of vehicles, okay? Let's learn about them in this chapter. So transport helps us to move from one place to another. So let's say, for example, you go from your house to the school, maybe through a van, right, through a car or through a school bus, right? So they help you to move from your house to the school, right? Now there are different types of vehicles also, okay? There are land vehicles. What are land vehicles? So these are vehicles that move on the roads. Okay, now tell me kids, what are the various kinds of vehicles that you see on the road? Yes, we see car, right? A car can carry a few people, right? It has a capacity of 5 or 7 people at a time, right? So a car walks on the road. Now we also see bus, right? A bus can carry many people, okay? In your school bus, have you seen how many students are there? So a bus can carry many people, okay? Then we have bicycle. So bicycle has 2 wheels and needs pedaling to move, okay? So we sit in a bicycle and there is also a place behind the driver to sit, okay? So maximum there are only 2 places where on the bicycle we can sit, okay? So bicycle has 2 wheels and we need constant pedaling, right? We have to move the pedal to go ahead. Then we have motorbike. A motorbike is fast and has 2 wheels, right? Motorbike has also 2 wheels, but it walks through the engine, right? And that is why it is fast, okay? So these were the vehicles of road, right? On the land. Now there are different vehicles for water, okay? So these are the vehicles that move on the water. So because the land vehicles like car, bicycle, cycle and bus cannot move on the water, there are different vehicles that move on the water. What are those? That is a boat. A boat is used on rivers and lakes. So there is a capacity of 5 to 8 people that can sit on boat, right? And it is used to cross rivers, to move in the river and also in the lakes, right? We have 2 things that we have to move to let our boat move ahead. Then we have what else? A ship. A ship is a big and is used on the seas and the oceans, okay? A ship is so much big that it can carry a large amount of people, even 500 to 1000 people at a time, right? And that's the reason it is used when we go very far away to different countries, right? So it moves in the oceans, in the sea. Now there are other vehicles for air, right? So when we move in the air, we need light things. And what are those light things? These are vehicles that fly in the sky. There is aeroplane. So an aeroplane can fly very high and fast. And people can sit in the airplane very safely, right? A helicopter is also used as a flying vehicle and it has fan on its top. A helicopter can hover and land in small places, right? So kids, we have 2 air vehicles. So I hope this chapter 2 is clear to you now. Now you know that what are the different kind of vehicles, right? So now you have to revise it, right? And based on your learning, you have to also do the exercise of this homework.